IMTEX Forming 2024, Asia's largest exhibition on metal forming and manufacturing technologies, gets enthusiastic response from the manufacturing community. Bangalore, 19 January 2024. IMTEX Forming 2024 along with concurrent Tooltech, Digital Manufacturing and Weldexpo organized by the India Machine Tool Manufacturers Association IMTMA was inaugurated on 19 January 2024 at Bangalore International Exhibition Centre BIEC Bengaluru. The exhibition was inaugurated by CK Venkataraman, Managing Director, Titan Company Limited, and Geetanjali Kirloskar, Chairperson and Managing Director, Kirloskar System Limited, Jamshyd and Godrej, Chairman Exhibitions, IMTMA, Rajendra S. Rajamane, President, IMTMA, Mohini Kelkar, Vice President, IMTMA, and Jibak Dasgupta, Director General and CEO, IMTMA, and BIEC shared the dais at the inauguration.
So now, as you all aware that we have inaugurated our IMTEX Forming 8th edition. This is the biggest IMTEX forming that we are having. So this shows that the manufacturing industry and the forming sector is actually growing. To talk about it and to give some data points, we have Mr. Godrej here and our president, Mr. Rajamane. So they'll be talking about something about BIEC, this campus, and some challenges and some good things which has happened, and also we'll be giving some statistical data in terms of IMTEX for this particular show. So I would just request Mr. Godrej if you can talk about a little bit about the BIEC and the facilities.
So first of all, welcome and thank you for being here. We appreciate the media covering IMTEX and IMTMA. This is the first time that an industry association has promoted an industry-sponsored exhibition center, conference center, and we've had great success over the years. And other than during the COVID period when we were not in a position to have an exhibition, we're back in a strong way. The BIEC has had the pleasure and honor of hosting the Prime Minister of India for the G20 summit. One of the events took place here, and the exhibition center has grown out to being the largest in South India. It's really something that we're quite proud of, and I think the good thing is that the city of Bangalore, state of Karnataka is recognizing the importance of this BIEC conference center, exhibition center, and we've had good cooperation in metro connectivity. We have good cooperation on connecting the roads. We are told that very soon we'll have a link connecting to the airport. But all these are very important infrastructure related issues which allow visitors and exhibitors, etc., to have good and easy access. Bangalore is not the easiest place to move around in, but I think that if we can improve connectivity, and especially with public transport, I think that would be good for everyone. So let me answer any questions you have later on, but at the moment Mr. Rajamane, President of IMTMA, can talk about the industry and the exhibition.
Welcome you all again. I'll just continue to add a little more points to what Mr. Godrej said, specifically on this IMTEX forming show which is there. It's about 45,000 square meters is what we have occupied as of now, and it has grown by about 80% compared to the 2022 show. We have occupied all the 5 halls, I think, which you have been able to see, and we have about 625 plus exhibitors coming from 20 countries. One speciality of the Forming 2024 is that we have a concurrent show called the Weldexpo, which has been supported by the Indian Institute of Welding, and also we have an international congress which is being held on the last day, which is it's called as the International Congress for IIW India. We also have the concurrent show from Stuttgart Messe. This is called as Moldex India and Fastnex in hall number 1. The speciality of IMTMA at all of these IMTEX shows every year has been our academia. We lay a lot of stress on academia, and then we have a very special stall called the Academia Pavilion. I request all of you to please visit and promote the students so that they will be very inquisitive to get it done. And we have this time about 25 institutions which have participated. We are having a couple of quiz and connect programs, and then we will be having an award for some of the participants which is there. We have a very large trade delegation for this time, one of the largest which we have had so far, close to about 200 odd trade delegations from government, non-government companies. We are very positive about the type of business that would be generated here in this particular show. As you are all will be seeing, I'm not sure how many of you have gone in there, but you will see one of the best technologies which are being displayed here, the first time in the country, or anywhere from the world which has been coming here. That's a little bit on the show, and just to give a little numbers on the machine tool industry performance. For the year 22-23, our production value was in about 12,328 crores, and we have grown by about 32% over the last year. Our imports remains at a little higher content at about 13,671 crores. Our exports have not been that encouraging, but it's grown by 60%. So that's a good result for us. And of course, we remain to be a very large consuming country of machine tools. So our global ranking is right now, we are 9th in production and the 7th in consumption. On the market size, just to give a little idea on what metal forming industry specifically, with specific to this particular show, production in metal forming was around 2,500 crores, and consumption is slightly or double of that, maybe close to about 5,000 crores. The domestic market share of the metal forming machine tool industry is about 35%. So there's a large potential for growth, and some of the sectors which are being supported with this liberalization and opening up of the economy and the way the government of India is trying to push manufacturing are agricultural, medical equipment, defense electronics, railways, furniture. These are some of the emerging technologies which we are seeing, which will help us, our country, grow in the next 5 to 10 years. We are very bullish on this whole growth story. We will definitely see the 5 trillion number coming in very fast, and we as a manufacturing backbone of this country, we would all be pitching to make sure that we look at these numbers.